Most investors focus on retail stocks, but by then, you've already missed most of the opportunity. Here's how to follow the value chain using the ISM. The ISM Manufacturing PMI tracks demand for raw materials, while the Services PMI highlights trends in wholesale and retail distribution. Together, they reveal the entire value chain of economic activity. Value starts with raw materials, driven by manufacturing demand. Those products move into wholesale distribution, where businesses prepare for retail sales. By the time retail stocks rise, the real growth has already happened further up the chain. If you only buy retail stocks, you've missed out on gains from raw materials, manufacturing, and wholesale. Smart investors follow the ISM early to catch opportunities as they emerge. Want to make smarter investment decisions? Subscribe to IBF, the channel dedicated to helping you understand the markets and spot opportunities earlier in the value chain.